In this video, I'm going to show you how can you register a 2P 10DLC on Twilio. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. So the first thing that we want to do is that open up the Twilio console and make sure you have an upgraded Twilio account over here. Click on the account drop down in the top right and select overview under the Trust Hub. After that, click create primary business profile, then enter your legal business name, physical address. You select from the save address or enter a new one. Now click save, then click new now. Next, fill in your business information including your business type, industry, tax number, select your business region, enter your business URL. Next, add people to contact over here, enter the details of a representative Twilio can reach out to. After that, agree the authorization terms and click next. Then enter your notification settings by providing an email address. After that, agree to the term of service and privacy policy and submit your business profile for review. Once submitted, go back to the account overview and click go to a 2P messaging over here. Click the register a brand and then select your brand type. If you send fewer than the 6,000 messages daily, choose low volume standard brand, otherwise choose the standard brand. After that, agree to the one-time fee and click register. When your brand is registered, click on the campaign and select register a campaign over here. Choose your campaign user cards such as marketing and customer services, then make sure to select existing messages service instead of creating a new one. After that, enter a brief campaign description, provide 2 simple messages and check the necessary message content option. Next, describe how users opt into the received messages and then click create and confirm the registration fees. Lastly, register your phone number over here. Select the number you want to include in the verification, then click register and confirm. After that, go back to the A2P 10DLC overview page to check the registration status. It can take a few days to weeks and the complete. Once verified, you will receive a confirmation email. So that's how you can register a 2B 10DLC on Twilio. That's it.